Number 7 is division by a monomial, which means I'm going to give each of the 3 terms on top the 4dk squared on bottom. And this is where I taught you to look and say, reduce the fraction number. Where do you have more? How many more? So here I've got 28 divided by 4. We all know that's 7. I have 3 D's on top and 1 D on bottom. That means I have more on top. How many more? 2 more. Where do you have more K's? You have 2 on top and 2 on bottom, so they're equal, so they cancel. Now, the next one, I've got a 4 on bottom and an assumed 1 on top. I can't just bring the 4 on top and I can't just do away with it. So I still have a 4 on bottom. In other words, 1/4 is reduced already. The 4 stays on bottom. I have 2 D's on top and 1 D on bottom. Where do you have more? On top. How many more? 1 more. Again, your K squareds cancel out. So D over 4 is as final as it's going to be. Or 1/4 D, if you want to write it that way. Over here, I've got 4 over 4. And if you put that in your calculator, that reduces to 1. And then D over D also reduces to 1. And K squared over K squared also reduces to 1. You can't just cancel them because that doesn't show that there was ever any term there. So it is minus 1 as your final answer. So if I write this a little bit better without that long bar, there's my answer.